Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So this is another You Can Play This video. You Can Play This is a series we started here on the Jaystiqs channel where we break down videos that other people have played, things that they've done, really cool stuff that they do. Then we break it down into little bits and pieces to make you understand that it's not that complex. You can also play this. So for today, we have a gentleman by the name of Markus Thomas. Let's see, there's some interesting things that we can learn from this video. So let's check it out. Whoa, okay. Whew, let's hear that again. I hope you can pick out the part that caught my attention. You get that part, right? So we'll be breaking down that part. Before we go on, hit the like button. We are always breaking down interesting stuff that people are playing. So hit the subscribe and hit the bell and you will be notified for all the videos. Let's get on with the video. So from this little presentation, just this tiny snippet, there are some interesting things he's doing. And the basic idea of what he's doing is he's using flams. So the mechanics for a flam, in case you don't know, one stick is higher than the other, like this, then you bring the two down together. That's a flam. And basically that's what he's using around the kit to execute what he's doing. So he does something like this. So that's the first part of it. Let's break it down. It's like this. Then he plays 4 notes on the right hand. And those notes are ghost notes. So let's try and experiment a little bit with this before we go deeper into it, so that we can get the feel and the vibe of what is going on. So as you can see, it fits well, it goes well, but that's not exactly what he played. He played some other things in addition to that. So let's explore those things. After the first pattern, which is this, he goes and flips it over, and instead of the left hand being on the snare, he puts the left hand on the first tom, and the right hand comes to the snare. And he does the flam there too. So from the top, then he adds this part. So that's a little strain on your right hand, but it's possible. So it's let's put this in the groove again, because along the way we have to put it in grooves to get the feel of it. Yeah, so you have to play it a lot learning these things. It's not that it's difficult, but you have to play it a lot until your body learns how it feels like. And once your body figures out, or your hands and your legs figure out how it feels like to play it, they end up playing it on their own. So you just sit by the drum and you can play it without thinking too much about it. This is what is called muscle memory. So after the second part, you add a single ghost note on your right hand. So okay, so now that you have that part down, the next one is the very first part, this pattern. The 4. You play it over it again. So then you come back. I hope it makes sense. So you play the first part, then the second part, then you add a single ghost note, then you play the first part again. So when you put everything together, it's like this. So up to speed is let's talk about the sponsor, the Drum Chops Builder app. This is an app I created for myself as a drummer to help me practice the ideas that come to my head. So imagine you're a dude, right? You're a brother or a sister walking in town, doing the business, buying stuff, swiping the credit card, getting in the car, going to the places. But along the way, you have some ideas, some drum ideas, some patterns come into your mind because you're a creative person. I know this. We know this. We know this. And when the ideas come through, you have to have an outlet for them or they just disappear. And you wouldn't want to have ideas that come and disappear. No, no, no. You need to put them down somewhere. So enter the Drum Chops Builder app. With this app, you can put down your ideas everywhere and anywhere you are onto your phone and save it and go practice later. And it has a whole bunch of other features like shed mode, random chop generator, and a whole bunch of other features that help you to be more creative as a drummer. So check it out. The link is in the description down below. Go download it. Go do the thing. It's really good. So the takeaway from this drum fill is not the whole lengthy thing because it's hard to replicate this in a groove when you're playing. If you want to learn, it's fine, but at least you should be able to take away some patterns and things from this that will make sense for you to experiment with in your own way. So what I would say to take away from this would be that first pattern, this one, right? That first pattern, you can use it in so many powerful ways. So you can do something like this. You can use that as a simple fill for your drumming. So another level we can go to is something we linked with the alternation thing. So you can go. So you can use it in so many other ways. It doesn't have to be exactly this way, but then you can try and figure out ways to put it in such that it's cohesive and it feels like it's meant to be there. It's not like you lifted it and put it in the music. This has been You Can Play This. And as you can see, you could definitely play that. So try it out. The link to download the Drum Shots Builder app is in the description down below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe to be notified every time they say You Can Play This video. And there are more people coming. We have Tayron Lockett, another Calvin Rogers video, all kinds of people. All kinds of people. So you should stay tuned. And by staying tuned, it's hitting the subscribe and hitting the bell, so you get notified every time there's a new video. So do that. This has been your boy Jaystiqs. And stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.